Hi, good afternoon to one and all. Today we are going to discuss about the topic that is analysis of wind. The analysis of wind data is fundamental in many sectors, not only as obvious in meteorology and climate, but also in air quality evaluation, architecture, energy production, and analysis of outdoor sports performances, agriculture, and many others. Wind is, of course, a possible threat if not adequately considered in some specific fields. One of such fields is the designing of airport runways. Wind perpendicular to the runway, that is crosswinds, may cause serious accidents, especially during landing and for small airplanes. The analysis of past accidents has demonstrated that the probability of occurrence of an accident increased with increasing crosswind conditions. So, in this analysis of wind, the major role play, which is that is with the help of Windrose diagram, we can analyze the wind and others data also. The important thing is Windrose diagram. A Windrose is a graphical tool used by meteorologists to give a short and snappy view how wind speed and directions are typically distributed at a particular location. The importance of Windrose diagram is to determination of the most suitable runway orientation and for estimating the runway capacities. This Windrose diagram can be used with the help of 5 to 10 years wind data. There are two types in Windrose diagram. One is type 1 and another one is type 2. Type 1 we can determine the direction and duration of wind, and in type 2 we can determine direction, duration and intensity of wind. In type 1 there is a disadvantage, it will not consider the effect of crosswind component. So this is the main drawback in type 1. In type 1 Windrose diagram, there are radial lines which indicates the wind direction and the circles indicates the duration of wind. Whereas in type 2 Windrose diagram, direction, duration and intensity, the concentric circles are drawn for the given wind velocity, and from 0 we can draw 16 radial lines with the recorded data. The recorded duration of wind should be shown as percentage for each radial directions. This will indicate duration of wind velocities. With the given data, we can calculate both direction, duration, and intensity of the wind. Thank you, guys. We'll see in the next video. Thank you so much.